This Fort Boone thing, it's not quite what I expected. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. Must be little people lived here. Look at the architecture.
Listen, you idiot. This ain't Fort Boone. This is a fire pit. Fort Boone's on the other side of the train.
You said we're going to Fort Boone.
We're going, yes, to the area where Fort Boone is at, which is over there. We got off over here.
Why'd they move it over there?
They didn't. It's always been over there, you idiot.
Why'd we get off over here?
Go get that gold. That's why we got off over here.
Seamus!
Yeah!
Where'd you guys go?
Oh, we got off on the wrong side of the train by accident there, Sheriff. I am so sorry.
There's two sides of the train. You had a 50-50 shot.
Yep. Bad luck, I guess.
Just let me know if you see any survivors.
Oh, we will there, Sheriff. We will. All right, now I'll tell you what, Dizzy. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to create a distraction. I want you to go up on this train car right over here and you go get that gold, all right? Okay, just that one right there. Just the yellow one right there. All right, it's pretty color. Here. All right, let's see. Let's go over here. Get off me. Yeah.
Thank goodness you're here. Oh, it's bad. The Indians are chasing me all through these woods right here. Listen, you gotta get this train back to town right now and take me with you.
I tell you what, hold on a second. Hey, Sheriff.
Yeah.
Found a survivor over here.
Send them over.
All right, go over there.
Okay. I'll miss you.
All right, come on. All right, Zeke, go on, go get that gold. Just you wait there, Sheriff. Susan Miller, you're gonna look like a slice of Swiss cheese. What? Oh. Ow! Zeke, go get that gold.
Oh, he scared me. There's Indians everywhere. Get these people out of here before it's too late. What are you talking about too late? I mean too late.
I've had enough out of you!
See you after the Indians down there.
There he is. Go!
Watch it! That's a trooper!
Thought you were an Indian.
How in the world can I possibly be an Indian? Look at my hair!
Maybe you dyed it.
I didn't die. Listen, y'all get on that train, get out here. Them Indians will be back in greater numbers than leave. I'm okay. I just need a Diet Coke.
Wait, honestly?
Okay, everybody, please touch your seats. Have our hands for the Cowboys, Tweetsie Tribe, and Dreamer Bogs. Alright, Casey, let's get these folks on back to town, please.